I am going to show you a new tool that just came out by Google Labs called Pomelli. It is a very cool tool in that it will build graphics for your website out in seconds, but there are limitations. Let's say your client asks you to create graphics for any platform, because we can change the sizes of the content that it creates. But essentially, all you'll need to do is either describe, so text prompt the campaign that you want, or you could paste your client's URL into here. So I'm going to make a campaign around my blueprint program. First thing I'm going to do is give Google the link. I still need to text prompt it, however. And so this is where your text prompt engineering skills come into hand. I'm just going to say I want a 5-story series for Instagram advertising my VA business blueprint. I'm just going to keep this simple. We're going to generate ideas. You will see again how fast Google creates these assets for you. Now, the cool thing about Pomelli is that it's going to pull assets from the website that you've just given it. So if your client asks you to create graphics and you use your client's website, it will pull the content, the wording, the graphics right from your client's website itself. You, therefore, don't have to go hunting for the right graphics, or you don't have to rack your brain about the right kind of captions. So when Pomelli is done aggregating its data, it gives you 3 options. It always gives you 3 options. You can click on the one that seems most interesting to start. So I'm going to start with this middle one. In some cases, Pomelli will create a campaign that you are perfectly happy with. In other cases, it might spit out content that you think needs a little tweaking. If you want to make any changes to any of the cards, you simply click on the card and we can change the image. You can either pull another image from your client's website, or actually you can use Pomelli for yourself. So you can pull a different image from your website or a royalty-free image from Pexels. And just like other platforms like Canva, you can make edits to the verbiage. You can change the font and the color. You can make any changes anywhere. If you don't love a layout that it's picked for you, you can ask its AI to fix the layout and it will come up with an alternative. The thing that I really do like about this tool is that not only does it help create graphics very quickly, if you have just told its AI to fix the layout and then you're like, actually, I hate this even more, it always has the versions. So you just need to scrub through, and you can fix the layout as many times as you want. But you can scrub through your version history and then choose the card that you think has come out the best. We also have the opportunity, if you feel like the creative is not enough, you want to add, you want to delete. Of course, this makes it very easy to duplicate or delete a particular card. Let's say I want to add a card. This is where your prompt engineering comes into play. So if I wanted to add the last card to my stories, I could say make one card that says enroll now. That's all I want. We could at this point change the sizing, but I'm going to keep it as the same. And we're going to see what this comes up with. This is really funny because it didn't at all follow my prompt, which ultimately is one of the fun things about AI. Sometimes it has a mind of its own. I do like what it's pulling, but not at all what I wanted. So I would go in manually and have to just do enroll now if that's in fact what I wanted. So not perfect, but a pretty close option for if you need to create assets and campaigns for your clients and you're either a little tight on time or you want to use a service like this who automatically pulls headers and really great call to actions and really great content within the story.